What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick comparison between Twingate and a Tailscale VPN. So we're just gonna go through some of the basic factors that differentiate between either of them. First thing first is that what are the Twingate and what is the Tailscale? Twingate builds itself as a secure alternative to traditional perimeter defense VPNs. It is designed to allow remote workers to connect to existing internal networks. Once Twingate service is connected to an internal-only network and resources are added, remote users can access those resources as if they were in the same room. So this is a big feature that is Twingate providing with the VPN. And the other thing is that what is Tailscale? So the Tailscale is also a secure VPN designed to quickly enable remote work. Tailscale, the connection is direct. Once the Tailscale is installed on two devices, they can access each other over a secure connection no matter where they are in the world. As long as they can access in the public internet, team members could be in different coffee shops on different continents and be able to access sources on each other's computer as if they were in the same room. So how you guys can set up the Twingate? You must have a Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account to sign up for the Twingate, whereas setting up the Tailscale is pretty easy. Tailscale also requires an account with the Google, Microsoft Active Directory, GitHub, Okta, or all one login. So the next thing is the final verdict. So which one is better? So Twingate and Tailscale both provide you with an easily configurable VPN solution for connecting your team members, and regardless of the location, Twingate will connect to your internal network and provide your team with the tools it needs to securely connect to your existing internal servers. And cloud hosted solutions like Azure, DigitalOcean, and AWS, while the setup process is not complicated, some familiarities with the network administration is required. So this is the comparison between Tailscale and the Twingate. I hope you found this really helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.